I'm Vikramaditya and welcome to Jade SOFTECH. In this session, we are going to discuss about one very important concept that we keep coming across, the concept of API. What is an API is what we are going to discuss, and we are also going to discuss about what are the various features of API. Now, the API stands for Application Programming Interface. It's a set of rules and tools that allow different software applications to communicate and exchange data. It acts as an intermediate, enabling applications to interact and share functionality without needing to know the internal working of that each other. So here's a more detailed explanation. Now here we have got this Instagram on your phone, and you're saying, hey Instagram, can you like this publication. So this is the request that you have sent to Instagram API, and sure, I did it and we saved you a like. So this is what the Instagram application will give it back to you. So this is happening because of an API. So the APIs define the way one application can request services from another, specifying the data formats, request structures, and protocols. Now in this, we have got a gateway. A gateway provides access to the functionality and data within an application, database, or other systems. We are going to have a bridge. APIs allow different software components to connect and interact, enabling a wide range of applications and services to be built on top of each other. And how APIs work. So we first have a request. A client application, in our case your mobile phone, sends a request to the API specifying what action it wants to perform or data it needs. Then we have got the proceedings. The API receives the request and either performs the request action or retrieves the necessary data. Now then we have got the response. The API returns a response to the client providing the requested data or confirmation of the action. Now how to request an API. Now we have got various options that we have in API, like the get data, get all pictures of vendor's profile. That's something which we have. The get data is all about. It's one example. Update a piece of data, like update your publication's description on Insta. Or post, create and save new data, like add a publication on your Instagram account. Delete data, delete a publication. Now how an API answers. So most of the time it would be using JSON. JSON is one of the way in which we deal with the APIs, and in this, it's a data representation, easy to read by humans and easy to manipulate through code. So if you can see this is a JSON file that I have, wherein we have the success true, username is Bender, and pictures. We have got this. Why is it interesting to have an API? So codes are divided. When you use an API on your project, you will automatically divide the visible part, front end, and the server by the backend. Now we've got the few of the front end tools that we have on the left, and we have got the backend tools on the right side. So they can be different than the change. Can be different than the changed impacting the application. Now the API business. So an API is a valuable part of a project. So some companies build their applications and sell access to their APIs at the same time. Now we have got a organization which is requesting Google APIs, and then Google APIs respond back. So this is an example of a company that makes home deliveries. It's a huge time saver to outsource the geolocation part to Google. Now we've got 4 major types of APIs, like the open APIs, partner APIs, internal APIs, and composite APIs. Now the 6 most popular API architecture patterns happens to be the SOAP, SOAP, RESTful, and GraphQL, gRPC, WebSocket, and Webhook. We're going to discuss about all these types of APIs more in detail in the sessions that we have, live sessions. So if you are interested to learn the latest software technologies, you can contact us on our mail id jhsinfotech@gmail.com, or contact us on our website www.jhsinfotech.in. That's it for this session, and we're going to discuss from here in the next session. Thank you, have a great day, and please do not forget to subscribe and like our videos, and do share it with your friends. It might be helpful for them as well, and do comment what exactly is your opinion about this video. Thank you, have a great day, bye.